welcome back. It's a quick short tutorial video for those of you who have been trying to promote their affiliate products to different other social media websites or platforms, but their link gets blocked. So there are only few steps you need to take to prevent this. So for that, you go to Google and you type in Blogger, which is for free, blogger.com. You go there and you sign up for that, and then you go up here and to new blog. You title your blog to whatever you want to create a link for. So here's, I want to create a link for this affiliate product, the Essential Keto Cookbook. So I name it Keto Cookbook. Next. Okay, now here you will type the address. So you will have to remember this address. So type in whatever address name you want to refer to. Cookbook. It's not available. I put another K. Okay, it's not available. Another K. Okay, it's available. So I copy it and I save it here in Notepad. Let's type here .blogspot.com, and then I hit save. Okay, now I go to themes and I customize it and edit the HTML. Go ahead and find the head tag, and there you're gonna type in this little code, which I will leave down in the description box. Copy it, paste it right there, and here you put your affiliate link for the specific product you are trying to promote. Then you press save. Go back, check if it works. From here, view blog. So it works. See, exact same page. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more hacks and tricks.